Hello, this is Aya from Spline Universe. Today I'd like to share my submission for the Design with Spline Hana challenge. Hana by Spline is a web-based interactive tool for both 2D and 3D. I usually work with Spline 3D, so using Hana was a completely new experience for me. It was really exciting and I discovered a great way to create 3D design directly from a 2D based canvas. This animation was created entirely using Hana. You can find the live preview and viewer link in the description below. Okay, let's take a sneak peek behind the scenes. The eye was created using 3D projection. I built the eyeball with an ellipse shape and the eyelids with the pen tool, all placed on a sequence-based layer. By applying the 3D projection effect, these flat vector shapes become a 3-dimensional eyeball. Adjusted the pupil position using the rotation settings, and added follow interaction so the eye tracks the mouse cursor. The teardrop was first drawn with the pen tool and enhanced using liquid glass effect to create a liquid texture. Another teardrop was built using a sphere shape with a 3D shape effect. By adding an environment map, it achieves a more realistic and delicate surface. The sprout was also created using simple 3D shapes. All animations are managed within a single animation layer, with each part clearly named for better control. After building each sequence to separate layers, I merged them into a composite layer and fine-tuned the animation timing down to the second. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for your comments. Every single one means a lot to me and really motivates me. Another tutorial is finally coming very soon. Bye!